Sound of Music sing-alongs, soaring mountain peaks, and a hidden Nazi relic. Austria offers more than just schnitzel. Will you explore the city of Mozart or conquer the slopes of the Alps? Join me on a journey to Austria, where history meets adventure, and every corner promises a surprise. Vienna. Immerse yourself in the imperial grandeur of Vienna, Austria's captivating capital city. Imagine yourself standing in awe before the magnificent Hofburg Palace, the former residence of the Habsburg dynasty, or exploring the sprawling gardens of Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the evening, be transported to another world by a captivating performance at the Vienna State Opera House, a renowned venue for opera and ballet lovers. Vienna offers a glimpse into Austria's rich history and a taste of its vibrant cultural scene. Salzburg. Step back in time to the birthplace of music legend Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart in Salzburg. Imagine yourself strolling down the charming Getreidegasse, a pedestrian street lined with shops and cafes, or visiting Mozart's birthplace museum to learn about his life and musical genius. If you're visiting during the summer months, don't miss the Salzburg Festival, a prestigious event showcasing classical music, opera, and drama performances. Salzburg offers a celebration of music and a chance to experience the city's rich cultural heritage. Graz. Discover the unique blend of modern and historic in Graz, Austria's second-largest city. Imagine yourself marveling at the Kunsthaus Graz, a contemporary art museum with its iconic friendly alien design, or strolling through the charming squares and streets of the historic city center. Graz offers a vibrant cultural scene and a mix of architectural styles, making it a fascinating destination for curious travelers. Innsbruck. Embrace your inner adventurer in Innsbruck, a city nestled amidst the majestic Austrian Alps. Imagine yourself hitting the slopes at one of the world-class ski resorts, exploring the charming Old Town with its iconic golden roof, or taking a thrilling ride on the Hungerberg funicular railway for breathtaking views. Innsbruck is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and offers a taste of traditional Austrian charm. Hallstatt, a fairy tale village. Step into a real-life fairy tale village at Hallstatt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its picturesque setting. Imagine yourself strolling along the lakefront, admiring the colorful houses that seem to rise from the water, or taking a boat ride to capture stunning panoramic views. Hallstatt offers a charming escape and a chance to experience the beauty of the Salzkammergut region. The Alps. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Austrian Alps, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Imagine yourself conquering a challenging mountain hike, surrounded by majestic peaks and lush valleys, or experiencing the thrill of paragliding over the stunning landscape. The Alps offer a variety of activities for all skill levels, from scenic walks to heart-pounding adventures. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a nature lover seeking a peaceful retreat, the Alps have something to offer everyone. Wachau Valley. Unwind and indulge in the beauty of the Wachau Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its rolling vineyards and charming villages. Imagine yourself taking a scenic boat ride along the Danube River, stopping to explore quaint towns and sample delicious local wines. The Wachau Valley offers a picturesque escape from the city, perfect for relaxing, enjoying the scenery, and indulging in Austrian delights. From the majestic peaks of the Alps to the charming streets of Salzburg, Austria has captured your imagination. Camera pans across happy faces, enjoying activities. You've experienced the thrill of winter sports, the serenity of crystal-clear lakes, and the rich history of ancient castles. Austria offers more than just schnitzel, as you've discovered.